Hey guys, I'm outside today, and today we have a blizzard, guys. Look at this. Holy moly, guys. We're in the blizzard, guys. We're in the blizzard, guys. That's crazy to say, but we're in the blizzard, guys. So we can get a thumbs up if you like this video. And look at my property. It's so crazy. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is a sidewalk. And this is a sidewalk, but it's covered in snow. And down there is more houses. But you can't see the street sign down that way. You see I would see like the traffic lights down that way, but down that way there's a traffic lights down that way, but you can't see it because the snow is so crazy. And this is crazy, guys. We had 2 snowstorms, but we have a blizzard in 2026, guys. Blizzard in 2026. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy to say. But yeah. But look at this. Holy moly. Wait, is it snow? Yeah, the snow's like okay. But like, it's enough to make a snowman? We got a snowball. Let's see, it's enough to make a snowman. I'm gonna try to make a small snowman. This is not a snowman at all, it's like so flat. This is ice, guys. I can like crush it. This is ice, guys. I can crush it. We got snow on the roof. Look at the trees all covered in snow. Guys, we're in a blizzard. This is crazy. And the house is covered in snow too, guys. Our apartment is covered in snow. See, from here to all the way up there. It's covered in snow, guys. Oh my gosh, you can see icicles. Can you see icicles, guys? Look at the icicles. Guys, look at the house. It's covered in snow. Like all of this is covered in snow. Look at the whole house. It's like covered in snow. That's how you know it's a blizzard, guys. That's crazy. And it's still snowing. It started snowing last night, and then it keeps snowing till today. Wow. Crazy. I think the snow started at 1 a.m. in the morning, and the forecast people said 10 feet of snow, but it's still snowing, so probably we get more than 10 feet. Probably 20 feet, probably more than I don't know how many feet, but I have no clue. But it's crazy, guys. This is my life, guys. If you see more videos like this, crazy videos like this, let me know, guys. But crazy. Look at how much snow. Look at how much snow we have, guys. Look at all of this. Look at all this, guys. Holy moly. Look at all the cars covered in snow, guys. Look at all the snow, guys. This is a lot of snow, guys. This is way. Look at the house. It's covered in snow on this side too. On this side of this house, this is my apartment. This whole thing is my apartment. But guys, look at this. Holy moly, guys. All of this is snow on the house. Look at the windows, all covered in snow. That's crazy, guys. Our house is covered in snow because the winds are moving, so it's like moving. It's like crazy, guys. Oh my gosh, I got snow in my eyes. Whew. Hold on. Okay, guys. Look at this. It's so crazy, guys. Holy moly. I was getting covered in snow. I was like, there's like snow blowing to my face. It was so crazy, guys. But, and over here too, the house is also covered in snow. You can see we got snow over here and it's all covered, guys. We got a lot of snow covering the house because the wind are pushing that way. So they're covering the snow. And oh my gosh, you can see icicles. That's crazy, guys. This is crazy 2020. This is crazy 2020-2026, guys. This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy, guys, of 2026. Holy moly, guys. Holy moly. Guys, look at that. I'm trying to fix the tripod because the tripod is like wonky. But like, it's crazy, guys. Look at this. Look at the whole town is covered in snow. And we see right now, we gotta see, you see that? It's hard to see, but there's a snowplow coming right now. I think that's a snowplow. I can't tell. It's too, okay. Here's the stick. Wait, hold on. Here is the stick, guys, of how much snow there is. I don't know how I can tell, but this stick is how much snow there is. There was no snowplow. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This is crazy, guys. But look, see the stick right here? This is how they measure the snow. So that's probably like up. I don't know how many there is. But guys, this is crazy, guys. Okay, let's see if we can make snowmen. Yeah, the snow is too powdery. Can I actually make a snowman? Actually, you can. I don't know how it works. Yeah, the snow is too powdery, guys. I can't make a snowman, and it's hard to make a snowman with one hand. But yeah. Well, guys, that's it for today. If you see more crazy videos like this, let me know, guys, and I will see you guys next time on my other channel. I'm Feral Family, and you're watching my life. Oh, there's a snowplow. We got people snowplowing the streets. But guys, if you see more of my crazy life and crazy stuff, let me know, guys, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video, guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. And if you see more crazy videos of my life, let me know, guys, if you see more crazy videos of my life. If you want to see more crazy videos, guys, let me know. And guys, don't forget, stay healthy, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. And guys, wherever you are, if you have a blizzard outside, stay safe. I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye. Oh, there's snowplow coming. Okay, we got snowplow. We got snowplow blowing. Okay, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna see you guys next week. Goodbye. You guys will see more crazy videos like this. Let me know, guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye. Peace out, guys.